India is an agricultural country. Two-thirds of its population is involved in agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activity. It produces most of the food that we consume. It also produces raw material for various industries besides food grains. In this chapter, we will study the following concepts: characteristics of Indian agriculture, institutional and technological reforms.
Agriculture farming is an agricultural activity and generally includes cultivation of crops and raising of livestock for livelihood. There are many types of agricultural crops as well as livestock. The choice of crop or livestock depends on a number of factors. Chief among these are agricultural development, raw materials for industries, and food security for the country. Characteristics of Indian agriculture. In India, land has been cultivated for the past 3,000 to 5,000 years, depending on the area. India is regarded as a unique country from not only a cultural but an agricultural point of view also. This is due to its fertile soils, wide climatic variations, variety of landforms, and ample sunshine that a wide variety of crops grow here. The main features of Indian agriculture include the following: high proportion of arable land. India has high proportion of arable land, about 43%, the highest in the world. Intensity of cropping. In India, on account of tropical climate and longer hours of daylight, multiple cropping patterns prevail, making high intensity of cropping a phenomena of Indian agriculture. Variation in net sown area. The proportion of net sown area to geographical area varies greatly from state to state. It is about 84.2% in Punjab and only 3.4% in Arunachal Pradesh. It has an inverse relationship with forest cover. Irrigation. Only about one-third of cropped area is actually irrigated. Small farmers in many parts still follow primitive traditional agricultural practices.